Most welcome, sir. Get up sodium ferrocyanide, or you can say that this is sodium nitroprusside. Clear? Whatever is formed, this is a sodium nitroprusside, not a potassium ferrocyanide. Now, you must be remembered that it is a red crystalline solid and highly soluble in water. It is highly soluble in water. Now, after that, we are coming the chemical properties of sodium nitroprusside. Now, the first one, this is the test of the sulfur, and you must be remember that this method is also used in a Lessagne method. In a Lessagne method, we test the nitrogen, phosphorus, halogens, and sulfur by that method. And here, how to test if the sodium sulfide is react with sodium nitroprusside, then we form Na4FeCN5NOS. That one has a purple color. If the purple color is coming, it means it is the representation of presence of the sulfur in a given salts. Clear, students? Now, after that we are coming the next one. Now, after the test of, actually this is a test of methyl ketone. You must be remember that if you do the practical in a lab, it is a very important one of the test of the methyl ketone. Methyl ketone means which has a CH3CO group. For example, you have a very ordinary ketone. This is a CH3CO CH3 acetone, and you can also present you can have a methyl ketone which is a present in a lab. This is a CCH5COCH3. This is a acetophenone. Clear? So these are actually methyl ketone. Any type of the methyl ketone is react with the sodium nitroprusside, then it gives the deep red color. It means it represents that it has methyl ketone. It has CH3CO. Now the next one, this is a test, also test of a sodium ion presence in a sodium nitroprusside. If we react with a silver nitrate, then a form silver ferricyanide, ferricyanide of nitrous acid, which has a brown color. It means it is a representation of the sodium ion. Clear, students? Now this is the reaction of sodium nitroprusside. Now after that we are coming the next point. Now student, we see the different types of the alloys. Now you see it is important for 11th 12th, and as well actually important for NEET, not for J. Now here the constantan is a alloy of copper and nickel, brass is a alloy of copper and zinc, and bronze is copper and tin. Gunmetal is Gunmetal is a mixture of copper, tin, and zinc, and German silver is copper, zinc, and nickel. Rolled gold is a mixture of copper and alloy, and monon metal is a mixture of copper, nickel, and iron. Now, after that, you see the what is the effect of heating and exposure of a copper sulfate solution. Means this is actually called a blue vitriol. So blue vitriol, if the exposure, then it's changed into pale blue color solution due to the removal of 2 mole of water. And after that, heating at 100 degrees Celsius, then it is changed into CuSO4 H2O. And after that, on heating extra, then it is changed into copper sulfate white color. So in this way changes the copper 5H2O. This is a blue vitriol. Clear, student? Now this is the point which is related to some point which is related to DNF block, and after that in the next video I am coming with the remaining points. You see properly and see whatever the question which is related to that one, and stay tuned with me, and thank you and thanks a lot.